guys, welcome back to my channel. So hope you guys are doing well. So today's video is gonna about how to make red lentil powder at home. As you all know that red lentil face pack is used for skin whitening property. So to make this paste easier, I am going to make red lentil powder at home. So let's begin. I am taking 1 plate of red lentil masoor dal. First of all, take a pan, add 1 cup of red lentils, roast it properly so that they can grind properly. After 2 to 3 minutes, take out the red lentils in a plate. Now let them cool for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add this red lentils in a mixer grinder. After grinding it, you can see the powder is ready. Now store them into the jar. You can see that the red lentil powder is ready to use. You can store it in the refrigerator for 1 month. So, hope you guys like my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and also press the bell icon for the new update. Till then, bye bye.